So which of these is the best scenario? Repairing your heating and cooling system when it breaks down, replacing it when it dies, or taking steps to avoid those two things from happening in the first place? The answer seems pretty obvious, but let's dig a little deeper as to why option 3 is the right choice. All of these things run. They have parts that move, gears that mesh, wheels that turn, motors, coils, cords, plugs. You expect them to work the right way the moment you need them. You probably already know that they can all perform better with regular maintenance. I mean, think of your clothes dryer and how poorly it would perform if you never cleaned the lint trap. Just a quick cleaning can make a big difference. Which brings me to this. Something you rely on almost every single day, and your home could be in bad shape if it breaks. But when it comes to regular maintenance, most homeowners never even give it a second thought. This is your home's heating and cooling system. And guess what? It won't last forever just because you want it to and because you want to ignore it. Your local Goodman dealer wants you to know that without regular maintenance, its useful life can be shortened, and it may not deliver the energy efficiency it was built to provide, or offer you what you thought you purchased. Not only that, with regular maintenance before each cooling and heating season, you could correct a tiny problem inexpensively and quickly before it grows into a big, inconvenient, expensive disaster. And on the hottest or coldest days of the year, you want your system to work effectively and efficiently on demand. Regular maintenance is the best way to make sure that's what always happens. You might want to give your local independent HVAC dealer a call to schedule a clean and check, because the best problems are the ones that never happen.
Thank goodness for Goodman.
These guys are good. Really good.